This is my submission to Milestone 1. What you're going to, the first view you see here is the main view. This is the view you'll be using to create more checklists. In this view, I use a navigation view along with navigation links to link it to a sub view, checklist items view, which I'll get to in a second. In this view, it takes in a model with all the data, as you can see here. It takes an instance of that. Then it goes through a for each loop and basically takes out the tuple, array of tuples, and from there can take out different elements from the tuple and send it through the navigation link to a variable on the other side. Other things to point out, it's got a few modifiers on the text. It's got a toolbar at the top here to allow me to put a button next to the title. And then go over to the model. Here's just the raw data. This is where I put in, it's basically all static at the moment. There's nothing here that will be changed. The checklist variable here takes in these array of strings and converts into an array of tuples. So the first element in a tuple would be the name of the checklist, and then the items that have been collected and the items that have not been collected. And if we just go down to the checklist test, as you can see here, the test here just confirmed that the data that is used in the model is the same as the data here. And go to checklist items view. So when you click on a checklist, it will take you to this view here. And basically the same setup. It takes into variables, which are array of strings. So as the list false and list true. Then it basically goes through a navigation view with a scroll view. It goes through a for each to display each of the strings as little views, little HTAG views. Basically, these ones have a bunch of modifiers, just converted, so I guess it looks nice on the screen. Also have a toolbar at the top. This just also allows me to put an edit button next to the title. So we'll just give it a run. And as you can see here, this is the first view, the content view. You click on the item, and then it pops up. And this is basically your checklist items view. It has all the different strings with all the different HTAG views. The edit button currently doesn't do anything at the moment. But as you can see here, it has different data depending on which list you click. Thanks.